Imagine having this kind of free community na sobrang daming channel na pwede ka makipag-network sa same goals and hobbies mo. Halos maya't maya may free webinars to develop your skills and more. Sobrang nakaka-bless talaga at never kong pinagsisisihan na mapabilang dito. So today, samahan niyo ako kung paano natin minamanage ang bawat araw natin. Today is August 5 and first day of our monthly challenge. Hayaan niyo akong i-share kung ano yung morning and daily routine ko. At baka makatulong din sa'yo na nagpaplano to improve yourself pero di mo alam kung saan mo sisimulan. So, start tayo sa 3:45 to 4:30 a.m. So, dyan ko sinisimulan yung araw ko being employed. 10 minutes for drinking water, meditation, and prayer. And then, 5 minutes for light exercise. 20 minutes for cold water, wearing my clothes, and 10 minutes for breakfast and toothbrush before leaving my house. So, yan yung first hour natin. Di ko na siguro i-isa-isahin kasi baka humaba ng todo yung video. So, i-highlight ko na lang siya. Mayroon din tayong sinisimulang side hustle para ma-achieve natin yung 6-figure a month. And fast forward exactly 9:10 p.m. Tutulog na ako dyan. And meron tayong total of 6 hours and 30 minutes of sleep. Pero kung mas maaga po matatapos yung ibang task, mas maganda kasi para humaba yung sleep natin for at least 7 hours. So ayun, sana kahit pa paano yung vid na to makatulong sa'yo to start your self-improvement. And tomorrow, August 6, wala akong pasok so makakapag-jogging tayo ng 5 a.m. So i-highlight natin yung daily schedule natin. And kung meron man siguro kayong matutunan sa video nito, yun ay paano natin iwiwin yung araw natin. And discipline ang kailangan natin, hindi motivation. So yun lang muna. This is day 42 of my self-improvement and day 4 of trying to reach 6-figure a month. See you guys tomorrow. Habang ginagamit ko yung microphone, so natutuwa ako at maganda siyang gamitin. So hindi rinig yung ingay ng electric fan and yun lang. Nakakatawa lang, nakakabano.